So this is US 30 analysis for Monday, the 12th of March. Now, let's have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So we're here on the US 30. I suppose I should probably get my drawings back on the chart because they're important reference points. There we are. So we can see here on the US 30, we've posted, we came down in towards the 24,238, posted a low, higher low, had prices move upwards towards the 200 period moving average, had a sell-off down towards the 24,420, had a series of higher lows, indicating there is a degree of bullishness in the market, had the 200 period moving average, which acted as resistance before, acted as a descending resistance for a price contraction squeeze in around the 24,864, from which we did see a breakout to the upside, very large bullish candle, indicating a lot of bullish buy side momentum in this market, and from which we did see a pretty strong extended run here on the US 30. So after breaking above the 25,101, the very next minor, it was a minor level of 25,243. Didn't see much of a reaction. We had prices trade above the 25,439. We headed as high as, let's just see where our highs were. Our highs were all the way up at the 25,512. 25,512, and from which we have seen this sell side momentum take us back down towards this 25,439. Now, if we do hold on to 25,439, we should have a look at the levels above us. We are seeing quite a bit of volatility here in the US 30. So if we do hold on to 25,439, the very next level that we are looking at to the upside is 25,600, 25,660, 25,708. And if we do have sufficient volatility, 25,879 could potentially come into focus, but you'd require quite a bit of volatility to head up there. If, however, we do break down from where we are at present of the 25,439, we are looking for price head down towards that. Just bear with me a second here. So if we do break down from this 25,439, we are looking for price head down towards that 25,243. Beyond which we're looking for price head down towards that 25,101. I wouldn't anticipate us moving much beyond the 25,101 because if we were to get down to 25,000, again, we would be in around where we had a previous swing high, and again, we could potentially find bullish buy side support. That's the most recent trend being to the upside, posting a series of higher lows, potentially 25,101, possibly in the far end of the range, or ultimately, we are looking at the 25,243, potentially pulling back to 25,243 for finding the buy side momentum to retest these levels previously these levels just identified to the upside. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis here on the hourly time frame. So we'll have a look at the higher time frames, head over to the monthly. Over to the monthly chart, we get scale on here correct, and we remove our drawings, and we can see here we are in a very clear uptrend. We've been in an uptrend for a very long time now. Had minor, I wouldn't even call them pullback or retracements really. Had odd consolidative, I suppose I'll have to use the odd consolidative pullback here and there. But nothing to be too concerned about. Most recent of which was last month. Last month in February, we did post quite a bit of a range in February, but so far in March, we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come back into the market. So we do look poised for further upside continuation, and the most recent trend, which has been a trend for a couple of years now, is to the upside on the US 30. So we head over to the weekly time frame. And over to this weekly time frame, we can see here we've had this move upwards. We're above the 20 period moving average for a very long time, and what we have seen is in the month of February we did see that sell side momentum come into the market, traded slightly below the 20 period moving average, We've seen the buy side momentum come back in, retested slightly below the 20-period moving average again, but we are seeing that buy side momentum continue. So, well, the trend does still appear to be to the upside despite the very sharp sell-off in February, and we do seem poised for further upside continuation on the US 30. Now, if we head over to the daily time frame on the US 30, we can see here on the US 30 that we've had the sharp sell-off low again. Weren't able to retest the previous lows, move upwards, posted a higher low and a higher high, invalidated this higher low here slightly, and after which we did see a bullish buy side momentum return to this market. So we do seem poised to retest these old highs here, especially if we do have this bullish buy side continuation to the upside. So we do look bullish here on the daily. So we've got our lows here. We've had a pullback, posted a higher low. So we do seem poised, possibly retest the old all-time highs on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.